Okay, whatever who needs help with identify Rheem hybrid. This one is 2018. Never changed the rods. I currently bought replacement rods. To change the rod, you take this cap off. I didn't even move the the heater, and I didn't disconnect anything. Everything is still in place. Use this one to get one in the back, 4 screws, and then 2 that's right here, 2 right here, 4 on the top that goes right here and right here, and 4 on each side. So I use this one to get one from the size that you can barely reach. Now this is another thing. There's a the way it looks like. You take that rubber filler off, and it's gonna expose that. What I use is basically extension with the socket. The Husky one, the tin that has like 24 points, it fits, but with a little bit of persuasion, I use a hammer to kind of like go inside without taking the bush. I would say it would be safer way if you use a heat gun to kind of soften up and kind of make it go down. When I say I use the hammer, very gentle, just to go, because the bushing is not perfectly in the middle. I did already break this, so it's gonna unscrew. I'm gonna take it off and show you how it looks like heater from 2018. It should be gone right now by the rod. Again, this is in Central California, so depends what water you have. So let's see. This is residential, obviously no well, it's city water. So I'm gonna take that out and show you. Now I'm gonna go release some water, make sure I don't get too much water in the tub. Okay, I switched to a ratchet and I releasing the water right now. Again, how everybody says, you don't have to release everything, just to have a weight of the boiler helping you. I'm gonna pull this out. Let's see how it looks like. Based on what I saw, 60 years, the rod should be gone by now. Let's see. Now, it was not too bad taking this out. So, okay, let's see the magic. Okay, it did not come off. That's very interesting. Okay. Let's get something to pull that out. Now, I'm assuming it's not gonna be either magnet or pliers, little nose pliers. Let me get little nose pliers. Okay, I'm gonna grab the phone and kind of show you how it looks like. There's the bushing right there. Get the lighting better. Okay, and you can see it's a little bit off center. So that off center kind of like doesn't give you. I mean, if they did on factory, they bother to care a little bit, it would be perfect for any socket. But that's why people has to take the Dremel or whatever heat gun or something. Okay, so here's a wow. I'm amazed. 6 years. Either our water is so good, or this thing it's calcium, how they encased. It's not. I wouldn't say that. Since I'm here, I'm gonna change it, and I'm gonna show you in comparison with the new one. So there you go. This is the. I put those. They look the same. So just what we get on the top, it's almost perfect. Then we get on the middle, bottom portion, but definitely can go another like 5-10 years. That's very interesting. Now, I'm not sure if it's like a calcium. My water, it's not super hot. I don't warm my, it's like 120, keeping not super hot. So maybe they play, maybe it's calcium encased, I don't know. But there you go. I'm gonna put the new one since I'm here and throw this away. I'm very pleased what I see. Okay, and I have enough space right here to kind of like feed the new one. It's kind of like, there you go. It's plenty enough to lower it in a spot. I'm just gonna take those webs, put it in a spot, and tidy it down. Okay, I put some tape on a new one. I'm gonna save the old one. There's no point. I can put the boroscope just to see what's going on in there. I don't think it makes sense. Okay, let's screw this new one in place. We should be good to go. Okay, fuck it. Now I'm gonna go counterclockwise just to feel the threads. As soon as that has that little step, that's not it. You know what, let me take this extension off. Okay, because I have a couple of extensions. I don't want to cross thread, because that's the, if you don't take that, bushing off. Now if it's screwed in and you unscrew it, it kind of forces because it's already threaded. But if it's, you start to thread, you might start wrong, so might be a better idea to take that bushing off. In my case, I'm not going to. I'm trying to avoid, just like I'm disconnecting the heater, water heater tank. I left it in a spot. Let's see if that helps. Maybe. Again, how I said, if it would do a proper job at the factory and set those set the bushing perfectly in space in the center, it would change a lot, but they didn't, so kind of sucks. Okay, I think it's good to go. I'm just gonna start screwing. There's my extension. Okay, and you do feel when it's properly threaded, it goes smooth until you tidy down. At least 4 or 5 swings. Now I didn't read how tight it needs to be, but based on how tight it was, I'm just gonna put a lot of muscle into it. Okay. Okay, it's almost there. Now I have a ratchet. I'm just gonna use the breaker bar to tighten it down. This way I know I have more leverage. Okay, let's do it. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Alrighty. Don't run away. Okay. Don't run away. Now I'm just gonna take this off. Change the position. That's too tight. Let's see. It's pretty tight. Okay. Okay, so obviously I tie down to click. I don't know the specification, but mine had this. Okay, nice. I didn't see any leaks. Now I'm gonna remove all these. I just put that hose to support from bending too much of this. So now I'm just gonna take the hose, put this metal cap down, screw all the screws back, and I will recap showing you one more time the rod. Okay, just quick show you. This is like 2 fingers, a little bit over 2 fingers. I have space, and I use this metal just to round up on the corner and make sure I don't get any spider webs, any extra stuff. So I mean, it's not like, but extra space for the spiders, they love that. So since this is in the corner, I use this one with like a 4-inch drive, not 4-inch drive, and to unscrew the screw in the back. It's not easy, but it's not impossible. So it's definitely not too hard. So instead of moving the heater, the full tank, because I have too much going on it, so there you go, not too hard. There you go, perfect. Now that's screwed. The rest of them, always said I have too much going on. It's connecting that hose, and then this hose, and that hose on the bottom, which is not a big deal, but you could avoid it. There you go. Alrighty, and I did buy two rods just in case, and we're gonna look one more time at them, how bad they got over 6 years. Again, all depends of your water. This is not bad. In fact, I'm gonna keep this one. There's no point to throw them away. A little bit of sanding, and they should be good to go. And this is since currently 2024 June, and was bought in 2018 don't remember the month, but there you go. Not bad, not bad. Alrighty, hopefully helps.